we change ownership of real estate? It doesn't happen simply because two parties enter into an agreement that says so. Rather, the transfer is accomplished with a deed. There are several types of deeds, and today we will go over the most common, the warranty deed. A warranty deed is the most comprehensive and offers the recipient the most protection. In a warranty deed, the seller, known as the grantor, conveys ownership in full and guarantees that it is free from any encumbrances, such as a mortgage or a tax lien. The grantor is saying that he or she will protect the buyer against any claims and thereby becomes accountable to the buyer. This is dramatically different from a quitclaim deed, where the seller simply gives over whatever interest is owned without mentioning liens or detailing the amounts of ownership given. Almost every home sale will involve a warranty deed. It would be unusual for a mortgage lender to agree to give a loan unless a warranty deed was used. Even if a search of the title history on the property is clean, most title insurance companies like to see warranty deeds used also. A good title search before signing the deed will give a seller more peace of mind that there's less likelihood of any future claims. Using a warranty deed isn't difficult. Once a search of the title is completed and any claims identified are settled, the document is prepared. The names of both parties are identified, a full legal description of the property is included, and specific language indicating the warranty from the seller is definitely needed. Usually the form is signed in front of witnesses in a notary public. Each state has specific requirements for proper execution of the deed. But once it is completed, the deed must be recorded on the local land records. This serves to put the public on notice of the transfer and ownership. Warranty deeds can serve grantees well. They offer the most ownership protection, which is highly desirable for purchasers, investors, and lenders. Without the warranty from the seller, you'd have to be extra careful and could be vulnerable to claims to your ownership. If you don't need that much protection, for instance, if your seller is well known to you, like a family member or a spouse, maybe you could consider other deed options. You can check out our other videos, including our overview of quitclaim deeds. Thanks for joining me.